Okay guys, today I just share how we can design this type of sticky header in WordPress without use any kind of plugin. Basically we used a simple CSS code, but don't worry about the code. I will definitely provide this code link in the description box. So please check out this video's description box. So at first I just go our WordPress admin area, and now I will show how we can design this type of sticky header. So I just hover the template and here theme builder, I just click here. Then in the left side you can see header option. I just click this header option, and this our active navigation. So I just remove this navigation. So just click this three icon and click trust. Then again I just click add new option, and it going few seconds to showing the editing panel, so we just wait. And yeah, now I just click the close icon, and here you can see our editing panel interface. So at first I just click plus icon, then click the flex box, and we choose first container. Then click the cube icon, then go advanced, and here the padding option we just unlink, and go layout and go scroll down. Here you can see justify content. I just click the center. That's it. Now I just go again add element option, then again drag the container, then this container will be center justify content, and the container width around I will do like 20%, and then again I will duplicate this container, and this container width around 50%. I think 60% will be good. Then again I just duplicate this container, and last container with around 20%. Total 3 container with around 100%. So now I just click again the cube icon in the main container and go down. Here you can see the direction. I will do this direction row horizontal. So just click the horizontal, and yeah, that's it. And every container I will just click and go advanced, and this padding will be unlinked. Perfect. So now again I will click this main container cube icon, and here you can see minimum height I will do around 100 pixel. That's it. Now I just click add element, go down, and here you can see the images. Just click and drag here and click choose image, and I will put my existing logo, then select. Here the logo will be showing, and go style, and here logo width minimum 90%. That's it. And alignment will be left. Then again click add element and go scroll down, and here you can see the WordPress menu option. So just click and drag here, and the menu alignment will be end. And then go down, and here you can see the some pointer option, animation. So pointer I will do underline, and the animation will be fade are okay. Then go scroll down, here you can see the mobile drop down. So breakpoint or tablet mode are okay. Then full width I will just on, and the text align will be center, and the mobile drop down toggle alignment will be right. So just go style, and so here you can see the main menu typography. So I just click globally and select this text, and I will add some custom style like width around 600, and the transform uppercase, and the letter spacing will be 1. Okay. Then go down, and here you can see the color option. The text color will be black. When you hover, the text color will be green, because our website primary color will be dark green, and the pointer color will be green. And go active option, and is the same thing like green, and active pointer color will be green. Then go down, here you can see pointer width. So I just ignore this, and the horizontal padding will be 0, and the vertical padding will be 0, but the space between will be I think 15. Oh, looks good. Then go down, and here you can see the drop down. So I just close the main menu option and open the drop down. Okay, so the drop down will be the background white, and the text color will be black, and the hover like background will be dark green, and the text color white. And then here the typography will be same. So I just add custom typography style like 40 pixel and 600 width uppercase, and the letter spacing 1. It's good. Then go down here, you can see the border type. I will add the solid and unlink this border width, and will be bottom 15 pixel and the top will be 15, and the border color will be white. That's it. Then go scroll down here, you can see the toggle button. I just open this option, and the toggle button color will be white, the background will be green, like dark green, and the toggle button size I think 30 will be good, and the border width will be default. So now I just go again, click the add element and go down here. I just add some button like call to action, and I will add the button content in here. And if you want to this button like dynamically, when you click this button, go the automatically calling option, then you can just click this dynamic tag. Go down here, you can see contact URL, then click here, and the type will be tell, and then you just put your phone number. That's it. And go style, and the styling option, at first you can see the position option, so I just add the position will be right, and the typography I will add globally typography. Then I will add some custom style, the width 600, uppercase and 1 pixel. Perfect. And then go down, the background color will be green, typography white color, and the border type will be solid and 2 pixel. The border color now will be green, and the border radius I will add 0. Then go hover, and the text color I will add dark green, and the background I will add transparent, and the border color green. And when you hover, the button design looks changed. Then go down here, you can see the padding option, so I just add some custom padding like 15 pixel in the top and bottom, and the right and left will be 40. Yes, that's good. Now again, you just click the main container cube icon, go advanced, and here you can see the margin. So at first I just unlink the margin option, and I will add just 120 pixel, and before I will add the minus option. Then go down here, you can see the motion effects, so just click here, and you can see the sticky, so I just click and I will select the top. And here you can see sticky on desktop, tablet and mobile, all the mode are available. And go down, and here you can see the effect offset option, so I just use around 20. That's it. So again, I just click the publish button and add condition, include either site. Okay, perfect. Then save and close. Now I will edit the tablet mode. So here the tablet mode, I will at first reduce the width in the toggle button, so I just click here and reduce this width like percentage, and the width around 20%, and the button will be 15% like this. And the toggle container, I will just click and go advanced, and go down here, you can see the order, so I just click the end. That's it. Now I will click here. Perfect. So now you can just click this container like call to action container, go advanced, go down here, you can see the responsive option, so I just hide the mobile responsive option. Okay, so I just click the hide on mobile priority. That's it. Then I just click publish. So when I close this bar, so you can see our tablet design, it looks good. Okay, so again, now I just go mobile option, and this button will be automatically hide. So now I will click this logo container, so I just reduce at first this container. So at first I change the width option like percentage, and the width around 50%, and the navigation I will add like percent like 40%. Okay, now I just close this bar, and this looks good. Perfect. So now you just click the publish button. Okay, so our primary menu will be ready. Now we just add simple CSS code. So at first you click this main menu container, then go down in the advanced option, then here you can see the custom CSS, and I will add some custom CSS. Then now I just paste here this code, and then I will click publish. Then here our home page, so I just refresh this page, and you can notice our pages in the top here available some space, so I just reduce this space. So again I will click this container cube and go layout, and I think 130 will be good. Then click the logo. I will some reduce this logo size, then publish. Again I will refresh my page. Yeah, the space are remove it. Then when you scroll down, and here your sticky are working, and the background color will be white. If you want to change this background, you can change easily, like I will show how you can change the background color. Again go the menu part, then click the cube icon and go advanced and go down here custom css, and here you can see the background color. You can just copy the background color code and paste here, and the color will be changed automatically. But now you can notice our logo are freeze. So I want to add some animation on this logo. So it's simple, we just add some code, logo code. So again I just go the menu part, and here I will add 4 or 5 line code just, and click the logo and go advanced and go down, and here you can see the css class. Just I will type logo, then I will publish. Then again I will refresh this website, and yeah, when I scroll, then our logo are some animation. This looks awesome. So yeah, if you like this video, or if you have any question in this video, just comment in the box. I will try to help very quickly. So see you in the next time.